Okay, so I was replacing my screen on my iPhone 6 Plus, and my Touch ID was not working. So what you have to do to replace your Touch ID is this is my old screen. It was all cracked up and chipped. And this is what the new screen looks like on my phone. And it works. And you can use Touch ID now. So what I had to do was I had to get my new screen, which is on my phone. You have to take off, there's a plate that looks just like this. It's connected like that. And you have to unscrew it, take that off, and you put the old one on the new screen. And the new Touch ID looks like this. So you have to take it off, and then you have to screw this into the new one. And once you screw it in, then you can set the home button on it, connect it to the little connector, and then you turn on your phone and check if it's working, and then you pop it into place. The way you pop it in, you have to put it like a hinge. You have to push in the top and then pop in all the sides. So that's how you fix your Touch ID on your iPhone 6 Plus.